Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 9 science chapter 2 is matter around us spheres. So this is the third part of these chapters. So first, second part already completed. Okay. So in these chapters already we discussed last class what is solutions and some properties of the solutions. So now we discuss concentration of the solutions. ओके कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशंस वो क्या होता है हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके सो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर टेकन टू बीकर ऑफ 100 ml. Okay, and we taken 50 ml of water, both the beaker. Okay, ml H2O and here also 50 ml H2O. ओके दोनों सेम क्वांटिटी का वाटर लेना है दो बीकर में, और क्या करना, एक में 5 ग्राम शुगर ऐड करना है और दूसरे में 10 ग्राम शुगर ऐड करना है. ओके और शुगर ऐड करने के बाद उसको ठीक से मिक्स कर देना है दोनों सॉल्यूशंस को. तो हम लोग को अभी पूछेंगे कि हम लोग को माइंड में आएगा कि which one are the more concentration. ये पहला जो सॉल्यूशंस ए, this one are the more solution, more concentrations, और the second one the beaker B are the more concentration. Which one are the more concentrations? Obviously the second beaker are the more concentration because the second beaker contain more amount of solute as compared to the beaker A. Okay, so the concentration are depend upon the amount of the solute. Here sugars are the solutes and water is the water solvent. Okay, here sugar are the water solute and water is the solvents. So the concentration term are depend upon what are the amount of solutes present in a given amount of solutions is called concentration of a solutions. So what is concentration? जितना amount of solute present है एक given amount of solutions में, हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे, concentration of a solution. So clear हो गया what is concentration of a solutions. Okay, so next we discuss some term related to concentration of the solutions. This is the most important term. Okay, and question also come related to this. The various way to express the concentration of the solutions. Okay, various several way are expressed to concentration of the solutions. Some 3 way we are discussed now. Okay, the first way are mass by mass percentage of a solution. Okay, what are mass by mass percentage of the solutions? Mass by mass percentage means here solute are also taken in mass and solutions are also in mass. So their formula are what are mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Okay, so mass by mass percentage of the solution we have to calculate by the formula mass of the solute divided by mass of the solutions into hundreds. Okay, next another way are the second one, mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage of a solution. So this is the second formula, and this one we have to calculate mass of solute divided by volume of solution. Volume of solution into 100. ओके, सो मास बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला चाहिए? मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस इनटू 100. So this one of the two formula to express the concentration of the solutions. The next are the third formula or third way are volume by volume percentage of the solutions. The third one, volume by volume percentage of the solution. Okay, this one formula are volume of solute. Okay, volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Okay, these are the three main formula to express the volume, express the concentration of a solutions. So now we discuss one example of how to calculate the percentage composition. How to calculate the percentage composition of a solution. Okay, we discuss one example. Questions are question are the is a solution contain 40 gram of NaCl. Okay, a solution contain 40 gram of NaCl in 320 gram of H2O. Okay, 320 gram of H2O. Here calculate the mass by mass percentage of a solution. तो मास बाय मास परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करना है. यहाँ दिया है एक्सिस सोडियम क्लोराइड्स और एक दिया है वाटर. सोडियम क्लोराइड्स आर द सॉल्यूट्स एंड वाटर आर द सॉल्वेंट्स. So given water solute, that is water NaCl, sodium chloride 40 gram, and solvent are also given, water H2O, that is 320 gram. So where we have to need to calculate the solutions. अभी हम लोग क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ सॉल्यूशन कितना है. वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मूला. वी नो सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट को प्लस कर देना है तो आ जाएगा अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सो सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू वाटर सॉल्यूट प्लस solvent. Solute water 40 gram plus solvent 320 gram is equal to water 360 gram. तो सॉल्यूशन आ गया कितना? 360 ग्राम. अभी हम लोग को फॉर्मूला पुट करना है मास बाय मास परसेंटेज का. मास बाय मास परसेंटेज ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100. Okay, this is the formula of mass by mass percentage of solution. So what are the mass of solute? 40 gram. What are the mass of the solutions? 360 gram into 100. So we cancel 0 and 0. So 0 for multiply 400 divided by 36 is equal to what are come? 1.1 percentage. 11.1 percentage. Okay. The mass by mass percentage of a solution is equal to 11.1 percentage. So this is one example. Okay, we discussed. So next problem are this one also related to concentration of the solutions. That is saturated solutions. Okay, saturated solutions. Another one term are the unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Okay, these two are the most important term. Okay, saturated solution means the maximum amount of solute. What are the maximum amount of solute dissolve for the maximum amount of solute dissolve in a solution is called saturated solutions. Okay, no more solute can be dissolved. Okay, no more solute dissolved. It's called what are saturated solutions. Next, unsaturated solutions, what are the amount of solute less than the saturation level. Okay, the amount of solute, less than saturation level. Okay, is called unsaturated solution. It's called unsaturated solutions. Okay, unsaturated solution means उसमें और सॉल्यूट ऐड करेंगे तो भी वो क्या होगा, डिजल्व हो जाएगा. और सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशंस मींस क्या होगा, उसमें और सॉल्यूट ऐड करेंगे तो वो डिजल्व नहीं होगा. ये कॉम्प्लीटली सैचुरेटेड है. नो मोर सॉल्यूट कैन बी डिजल्व इट. ओके, so this is the comparison between saturated and unsaturated solutions. Okay, so thank you to all.